Okay, so don't mind that there's construction next door to me. You're gonna hear banging, but let's all try this, the remote control here. So we've gone to this webpage and you can see the QR code in the middle. We've grabbed our phones. Shane's over here in Mexico, Mike's in Canada, team in the Philippines is already gone for the day, but I'm gonna click here. So I got the QR code. Shane, you want to turn on camera? And what is this? This is the control for the content you see farther up on the screen. So image one, there's another image, there's another image. So you went in here, Mike, and changed this out a bit. You have content now that's really good content. Nice job. So Shane, you want to fight with me? Show me the first video. There we go. Cool. And how's that working for you, Mike?
Yeah, it's perfect. I see both.
Okay, so I'm going to do eggs and watch this. I'm going to pause it there. That's what that pause button is down on the bottom. Okay. Now, pause it. That's okay. You're going to pause it again. There you go.
Okay.
So this is now ready for prime time. I think the layout that you just provided to a chiropractic office, you can now show them the remote control and be confident that even just the browser based without requiring any hardware is now ready to show off.
Perfect.
Crash course on the interface is down below. You'll see it says controls. On controls. When you're done with things, click on refresh page. That just refresh. Okay, he's got a call, so you want to start recording, Shane? Thanks, Mike.
All right.